Charles Darwin, the father of evolution, once said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change." The scientific theory of evolution is the only credible explanation for the development of organisms around the world. In the book World of Earth Science, it states that evidence of evolution can be observed through the distribution of species, comparative anatomy, and genetic coding. I am not here today to teach you about evolution because that would take a lifetime, but I am here to inform you on the importance of learning and understanding the concepts of evolution. I have taken 2 anthropology classes and have conducted research on evolution based on peer-reviewed sources throughout the past year. For those of you that are not sure about the impact of evolution and what it has on how we now see the world, I am here today to explain to you the importance of evolution. The presentation is divided into 3 main parts: from where do we come, who we are now, and what does the future hold. From where do we come? The first reason it is important to study evolution is to gain an understanding of past species, including our own ancestors, in order to answer questions concerning their whereabouts, lifestyle, reason for extinction, and so on. By observing the fossil remains of species of the past, researchers can make a number of determinations about that organism. The University of California, Berkeley, has an excellent source for learning about evolution on their website. On the page named The History of Life, looking at the patterns, it states that the overall ideas of evolution are that life has a history and it has changed over time, and that different species share common ancestors. Who are we now? The second purpose of exploring the elements of evolution is to broaden our knowledge of living organisms today, and even supply answers regarding human existence. For example, why do we have the ability to walk on 2 legs? Fossil evidence indicates that the earliest ancestors of modern-day humans inhabited forest areas among Africa between 8 to 10 million years ago. Climate change may have reduced the early humans' ability to obtain food. Therefore, they were forced to walk longer distances to do so. Another question that can be analyzed through the study of evolution is where new species come from. According to the article, Metro and Macro Evolution, Charles Darwin gives us a part of the answer with his explanation of natural selection. What does the future hold? Lastly, studying evolution is important for the future of humanity. If you can analyze and learn the process of evolution and natural selection, it can allow us to use our understanding of this to enable our species to continue to adapt and survive. The idea of evolution has already begun influencing society in order to protect life on Earth. For example, it had a direct impact on public policies, such as regulations on overfishing. Also, many modern-day diseases, such as obesity and diabetes, come about because of the mismatch between our genes and an environment that changes more quickly than human chromosomes can evolve. Understanding evolution can help convince someone to make the diet changes in order to prevent these problems and to make them feel better. There is a great deal of evidence of evolution through fossil observation and DNA research. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries, and it could improve society as a whole if we understand the importance of evolution and how it impacts life on Earth. Now that I have informed you all on the influence of understanding evolution, you all can appreciate and recognize how studying evolution can positively impact the survival of humanity. Thank you.